Welcome OnePlus fans and lifestyle enthusiasts to the ultimate exploration of the OnePlus Watch 2, a beacon of innovation in the smartwatch domain. This comprehensive review unfolds the myriad ways the OnePlus Watch 2 enhances your daily activities, health regimen and digital connectivity. Prepare to discover how the OnePlus Watch 2 stands as a paragon of modern technology, designed to enrich your life with its sophisticated features and robust capabilities. So, without further ado, let's start our journey. One of the most groundbreaking features of the OnePlus Watch 2 is its dual-engine architecture, utilizing both the Snapdragon W5 and BES 2700 chipsets. But why two chipsets, you ask? This innovative approach allows for unparalleled power management, significantly extending the watch's battery life beyond industry standards. Imagine having a car with two engines, one for high-speed races and another for leisurely Sunday drives. The OnePlus Watch 2 operates on a similar principle. The BES 2700 chipset is like the watch's eco-friendly engine, handling everyday tasks with minimal battery usage. Meanwhile, the Snapdragon W5 kicks in for high-performance needs, ensuring you have the power when you need it without wasting energy. Even in power-saving mode, Watch 2 keeps you connected and active. You can make and receive calls, get notifications, use the control center and access a suite of sports mode, among other essential features. It's like having a mini smartphone on your wrist, always ready to assist, but without the constant need to recharge. Now let's talk about the heart of the OnePlus Watch 2, its battery life. With a robust 500 mAh battery, this watch is set to redefine expectations. In smart mode, you can enjoy 100 hours of access to heavy apps like maps and music. Switch to light outdoor mode and you are looking at an impressive 12 days of battery life, covering all your basic needs and more. Comparatively, the OnePlus Watch 2 stands tall against giants like the Apple Watch S8 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, offering much longer battery life. This means less time tethered to a charger and more time living your life to the fullest. Whether you're on a long hike, camping under the stars, or simply tracking your sleep without interruption, this watch has you covered. In our fast-paced world, who has time to wait for gadgets to charge? The OnePlus Watch 2 hears you loud and clear. With its VOOC charging technology, Watch 2 gets charged to 100% in just 60 minutes, beating out competitors like Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch. And for those mornings when you are rushing out the door, a mere 5 minutes charge gives you a full 24 hours of battery life. That's right, in the time it takes to brew your morning coffee, your OnePlus Watch 2 is ready to go. The OnePlus Watch 2 thrives on connectivity, offering a suite of features that sync beautifully with Android phones and are further enhanced for OnePlus users. Imagine starting your day without the need to scramble for your phone to turn off the alarm. With Alarm Sync, your watch vibrates gently on your wrist, allowing for a smoother morning routine. But it doesn't stop there. For those moments when you want to capture memories without being stuck behind the camera, the remote photography feature turns your watch into a remote control for your phone's camera. And with weather-less sync, you're always prepared for the day's conditions with updates directly on your wrist. The concept of tri-device connection takes this integration to the next level, creating a seamless flow between your phone, earbuds and watch. This means you can switch from working on your laptop to taking a call on your watch without missing a beat. It's not just about connectivity, it's about creating a cohesive and uninterrupted digital experience. But the OnePlus Watch 2 isn't just about staying connected, it's also about precise movement tracking. With dual frequency GPS incorporating both L1 and L5 bands, the watch offers unmatched accuracy in location tracking. This technology ensures that whether you are hiking in dense forests or navigating the urban jungle, your movements are tracked with up to 30 cm precision. This level of detail is unprecedented in this price segment and is a game changer for fitness enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Powered by a Wear OS 4, the OnePlus Watch 2 opens up a universe of possibilities. This latest iteration of Android's Watch OS ensures your watch works seamlessly with your Android devices, granting access to essential services like Google Maps, Assistant, wallet, and more. Plus, compatibility with third-party apps like Spotify and Strava means your watch can be as versatile as your lifestyle demands. This OS isn't just about functionality, it's about customization. With an array of watch faces, tiles, and widgets, you can tailor your watch to reflect your personal style while staying connected to the things that matter the most. From navigating your way through the city, controlling your smart home devices, to making payments on the go, the OnePlus Watch 2 powered by Wear OS 4 makes every action smoother and more intuitive. Crafted with a 2.5D sapphire crystal cover and a stainless steel chassis, the OnePlus Watch 2 is a masterpiece of durability and elegance. Its construction offers superior scratch resistance and impact protection, ensuring the watch remains unscathed in the most demanding conditions. With water resistance of 5 atmospheres plus IP68 rating and compliance with US military standards of testing, it is designed to withstand extreme weather, pressures, and environmental challenges, making it the ideal companion for adventurers and professionals alike. The meticulous attention to build quality not only enhances the watch's longevity, but also its aesthetic appeal, making it a stylish accessory for any occasion. Its resilience against daily wear and tear, coupled with its ability to endure adventurous exploits, positions the OnePlus Watch 2 as a reliable and fashionable choice for the modern user. The OnePlus Watch 2 places a strong emphasis on health, offering a suite of features designed to keep you informed about your well-being. Heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, and stress monitoring are just the beginning. Also, the OnePlus Watch 2 stands out by supporting the Google Health Connect service, offering a comprehensive overview of your wellness. Its sleep tracking capabilities surpass many, with detailed reports on sleep quality, breathing rate, and even snoring risk assessment, providing insights to improve your sleep quality. The stress monitor utilizes heart rate variability data to offer a stress score, giving users a tangible measure of their stress levels over time. These features, focused on promoting better sleep and stress management, are essential tools for anyone looking to improve their quality of life. When it comes to fitness, the OnePlus Watch 2 is a powerhouse, boasting over 100 sports modes with automatic recognition for several activities. Its extensive coverage of activities from running and cycling to badminton and skiing sets it apart. The watch provides detailed metrics for each mode, enhancing the exercise experience and helping users track and improve performance. The running mode offers insights into vertical amplitude, ground contact time, stride length, and more, supported by dual-frequency GPS for precise tracking. The badminton mode goes beyond basic metrics to include swing speed, number of swings, and a radar chart for post-match analysis, offering a level of detail unmatched by many competitors. For tennis enthusiasts, the watch tracks total hits, types of spins, and serves, providing valuable feedback to improve your game. The skiing mode stands out with detailed metrics for each run, including distance, speed, and altitude, offering skiers a comprehensive overview of the performance on the slopes. The OnePlus Watch 2 is more than a smartwatch. It's a lifestyle companion that excels in power efficiency, connectivity, durability, and health and fitness tracking. Its innovative features and user-centric design make it a standout choice in the wearable technology market, offering a unique combination of practicality, style, and sophistication. Whether you are a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who values connectivity and durability, the OnePlus Watch 2 is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Its extended battery life, seamless ecosystem integration, rugged build, and comprehensive health and fitness capabilities ensure that it enhances your daily life in countless ways. Thank you for being part of the exploration journey of the OnePlus Watch 2. And until next time, stay groovy, stay curious, and never settle. See you on the next one.